Sandra y hoy vamos a hacer un Get Ready With Me mezclado con un challenge en el que tengo que hacer un Get Ready With Me, se me traba la lengua, en inglés. Así que, if you want to see more, keep on watching. First of all, I'm starting with my moisturizing because it's pretty important that you moisturize your face and prep your face with something that make your makeup sticks. So I'm starting with my moisturizer, which is of Avon. This is the Rose Chips Face Cream. This is a normal moisturizer. You can use a primer, a hydrating primer, a sticky primer, whatever you want. So I'm using this one that I'm ending. But yeah, it's because I love it. I'm blending it in my face with my hands, as normal people do. Okay, I'll take off my hair off my face because it's so annoying, and I'm using normal bobby pins, as you all might know. Okay, I look like a weirdo, but it's to take off my hair. Now I'm applying concealer in my under eyes. This is the Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer by Catrice, which is waterproof. I love this concealer, as you might know, so much. And I'm applying it in my dark circles and a little bit in my nose and my little tiny pimples. And redness. I don't have that much, but I do apply a little to cover them up. Now I'm blending it with my beauty blender. Okay, as you can see, for every day or for my age, I don't apply foundation because that makes my pores like holes, and I don't want that to my skin, so I apply just concealer, and that's very strange in me. And yeah, I don't want my skin gets older fastly, so I only apply that for cover up my imperfections and all that. And now I'm setting it with powder. This is the Set It Up W7 powder. This is translucent and it's very good. This sets your makeup very good. I liked it so much. I'm applying it in the places that I applied concealer before. And that's it. Now I'm doing my bronzing, highlighting, and blushing. For my everyday makeup, I don't usually do this, but for special occasions, I do. So this is not a brush for contour. I'm applying bronzer. This is I don't know. A palette for contour. For sculpt. I forgot the word. This is a palette for sculpt your face. And this has a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush. And this is Revolution Beauty, and I like this so much, as you can see. And I'm using my bronzer with this brush, which has this cut for sculpt this area of my face. I love this brush for doing this. Now you can see more color and sculpt in my face. Now I look more tan than I was. Now I'm blushing my face to give my face a more healthy look. So I am applying the blush of the same palette in my cheek apple. You can see this. And I'm applying it there. I don't usually apply it in the middle of my apple cheek. I apply it here and I do this motion. I apply it like this way, and I love how it looks like that. I don't know, but I love it. This blush is, as you can see, I think, in the camera, is very shiny. Thing that I really like. Because it gives you a more healthy look, and I like that. So I'm doing my other cheek, and I always apply a little bit in my nose. Okay, and now I will highlight my face, and I'm using the highlighter of the palette, this one right here, which is it looks like, here it looks like, okay, it's a little bit pinky toned highlighter. Okay, it is not, because this has I don't know if this makes sense, but it has a transparent base. This is all glow. And yeah, only glow, I love. So that is why I love that highlighter and the palette so much. Can you see this? Wow, this is insane. I think I will take off a little bit because, you know, I'm going to the park. Okay, I'm going in my other cheek, but I will apply much less than this other cheek. On the tip of my nose. My cupid's bow. But okay, I'm going in there with my finger. my chin, and that's it for my coat. Now, for hanging out, I don't usually apply eyeshadow. I think I don't apply eyeshadow. So, as I think I just applied bronzer in my I don't know how to say it in English. In this part right here, I apply a little bit of bronzer for sculpting my eye, but I don't apply actually eyeshadow. And the only thing that I do is apply highlighter in my inner corners. So much. And in my brow bone. That's all that I do. I don't do that much. Now for ending with my eyes, I'm curving my lashes. Okay, and I am applying this mascara of Essence. This is the I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. This is waterproof, and this might keep more your curls in your lashes. And I will apply it in my upper and lower lashes. Oh no! Okay. I nailed it. This always happens to me. I just stained my lid. Okay, I stained my other eye. What happens to me? Okay. I'm done with my lashes. And now I'm moving on to my brows. I don't apply pencils or pomades or nothing like that. I just apply brow gel. And that's it. I don't do anything more. So, I'm applying this because, as you can see, my brows are very filled. So I don't need that much work with them. So I only apply this and I'm ready to go. I don't need anything more. But if it is a more dramatic look, I do apply a little bit of pencil to fill it in and make my brow more bushy and filled and strong, you know. And that's all that I do. And now I'm moving on to my lips. Oh, mascara in there. Okay, that stays there. Let's pretend that is a lunar. I don't know how to say it in English. There, the translate. I applied in my lips this lip gloss. This is by Perfect Beauty. This is a Spanish brand, and that's all for my makeup. I'm taking this piece off. And now I will tell you my outfit. The outfit that I will use is this one. I'm using a high-tight skirt, denim skirt, that I really love, and a canale black skirt, t-shirt, which has some buttons right here that I really love because it gives a touch. And for my shoes, I'm using this high black Vans. I'll put it on and I will come back and I will show you. And this is the final look. This is how the t-shirt looks, the skirt, and now I'll show you the full body. And this is how it looks, the full body. I added these sneakers because I think it gives more casual look. And for my hairstyle, I decided to go for wavy look, wavy messy. Okay. The wavy volume and messy hair. Yeah, this is the final look. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have fun with my struggles with English. Yeah, now I'm speaking Spanish. Espero que os haya gustado. Dejad manita arriba si es así. Si queréis ver más retos como estos, revienten el botón de likes para que yo sepa que a vosotros os gusta. Suscribiros, activar la campanita para que os lleguen notificaciones de cuando subo vídeos, porque si no YouTube no avisa. Y yo os veo en el próximo vídeo. Bye.